Hi guys, my name is Tej and welcome back to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at MetaStars. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Let's get into it.
So this is the website of MetaStars. You can access it by going to metastars.io. The MetaStars represents a collection of 8,888 unique 3D NFT living in the metaverse. With more than 150 traits, each NFT will be unique. The stars are stored as ERC-721 token on the Ethereum blockchain and hosted on IPFS. So metastars are essentially influential characters who control the metaverse, who have faith in the new technologies. The metastars have built the future of humanity within the metaverse and they control it. People are looking up to these creators for guidance and inspiration for great new ideas in art, music, and technology. The Metastars are not only an NFT collection, but it is one of the biggest entertainment ecosystem of the metaverse. They will create first entertainment complex, the Meta Arena, in the metaverse to hold the world's most interactive virtual concerts, festivals, and futuristic nightclubs performed by artists, influenced by audience and experience together. The meta world will be extended on the Metaverse Sandbox and will be owned and operated by its members. Using their own token as a currency in the ecosystem, each NFT holders will get airdrop and rewards by partying. You can discover all the possibilities of the meta world by clicking over here. Here is a roadmap of the company, which I'm going to go over it real quick. First thing we have is the party to earn. So all the NFT holders will have free access to all the events and will win rewards and unique participation prizes. Next, there will be holder opportunities where you will get access to the world's most interactive virtual concert, festival, parties performed by artists. And then there would be MetaStars X the Sandbox. So they will acquire huge parcels of land in the metaverse, the Sandbox, to build the biggest entertainment complex of metaverse to host our events and futuristic nightclubs. The complex will be called Meta Arena. Next, there would be NFT rewards. So 20 unique NFT will offer monthly rewards, and holders of these NFT will receive each month 500 USD, 1000 USD, 2000 USD, 5000 USD, and 10,000 USD. Next, there would be creation of our own token. So it is powered by DeFi. Their own token, Meta World Token, will be the currency of the ecosystem, and NFT holders will get airdrops and rewards by partying. Next, we have the biggest entertainment ecosystem, so worldwide festivals, live concerts, parties in the nightclub, all in one place, the metaverse. Next, there would be decentralized event organizations, so every NFT holder will have the power to vote for important decisions related to the project's expansion. They will also offer a community, a collaboration with the NFT artists to create new and unique NFT for the next season. Next, there would be mercs. Owners of NFT will have private access to online store featuring collector and dedicated items or unique collabs with the artist. And eventually, there will be the creation of the MetaStars Fund. So every 6 months, they will reinvest up to $20,000, $200,000 in the project of two holders in need, artistic, musical, or technological projects. So that's the roadmap of the company and looks very, very promising. And these are the team members of the company. So we have Alex over here. All of their profiles are mentioned, so that's a good thing. You can also click on the Instagram to check out their Instagram page, and that's one of the good things that I feel this project is done, because if you kind of show the team members involved in your particular project, you also show the credibility of the project, which makes the project look a lot more promising and real. I also wanted to introduce you guys to the Meta World, which you can access it by going to the metaworld.io. So basically, the MetaStars are not only a NFT collection, it's the biggest entertainment ecosystem of the metaverse. They will create first entertainment complex, the Meta Arena, in the metaverse to host world's most interactive virtual concerts, festival, like nightclubs performed by artists, influenced by audience and experience together. The Meta World will be extended on the metaverse, the Sandbox, and will be owned and operated by its members. Using our own token as a currency in our ecosystem, each NFT holders will get airdrops and rewards by partying. There will be party to earn, where all the NFT holders will have free access to the events and they will win rewards and unique participation prizes. Next, there will be the creation of the biggest entertainment complex of the metaverse. So they will acquire huge parcels of land in metaverse, the Sandbox, to build the biggest entertainment complex of the metaverse to host the events and festivals of the metaverse with the biggest DJs, and the complex will be known as Meta Arena. We already actually went over all of this in our roadmap of the company, so I'm just going to go over it real quick. Then and there will be a creation of futuristic club. There will be decentralized event organization. So over here, every NFT holder will have the power to vote for important decisions related to the expansion of the project, and they will also offer a community collaboration with the NFT artists to create a new and unique NFT for the next season. There will be the MWT, the Meta World token. So they have created their own token, as we already mentioned before, which will be used as a currency in the ecosystem to reward the holders and artists during the events. And all artists will receive rewards in a fair way without any agency fee or intermediary platforms as well. So all of the team members are quite professional with amazing technical and marketing skills, which is important for any project to succeed in today's era. Also, when you check their LinkedIn page or Instagram page, you're going to see that they are quite active and they reply and make posts about different stuff. So that's really good thing as well. Also, this is the Twitter page of the Metastars. You can see that the project is still in its very early stages, and that's why it has just gathered 5,538 followers. But that's a good thing, because the earlier you know about a project which has a potential to become a big thing in future, the better it is for you to make profit out of it. Also, not just that, many artists and international DJ will be promoting their project, so that's amazing as well. You can click over here to join their Discord and stay connected with them. So that's pretty much it. I really do feel that this project is quite interesting because it is entering the entertainment field of the metaverse, which is quite promising as well. So definitely worth checking out. I'm going to post all the links in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.